Hello world, welcome to SD35 Career Ed's video showing you how to change a placement via student search on mywex.ca. Let's get to our mywex. So we're logged in here and we're on a dashboard. Now actually an even quicker way is if the student is on a current placement, you could go here and locate the student, or you could, for upcoming within the next week, you could go here and see who has a placement that's coming up. So that'd be the quickest way to get into the student. But if it's not there, it's not current and it's more than a week into the future, this is how you would do it. Go to the student tab, view students. Fill in whatever part of their name you know. So true something. Again, it works with part, the end of the name, the beginning of the name. It will search, and this will just search students with your school at placements. We're going to edit once we have the correct student and go to the placements tab. And we can see there's quite a few placements he's used because he's volunteered to be our testing student. So thank you, Mr. Trudeau, for that. Here's the placement we were looking for. Here are the details. So this can't change. You would have to update the activity for that section, but we can change this down here. So the job duties, the work hours arrangement, any public notes, the dates, the hours, and the details for the teachers involved could be entered here. So let's change this. Let's say they've increased their opening hours to 10, and he is only going to be going Tuesday to Wednesday. All right, and start a bit later, but end a bit later. Okay, so we're happy with that. So we're going to update the placement. So that's saved in the system, and to generate a new form, we're going to go back to the placement and print off your work ed agreement. So this will be our waive agreement by the time you see it. So yes, this will again look different, and you can see that our information has been updated here, and it looks good. Make sure to get that signed, and it will be in effect so that the student will be covered. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to follow us on social media, keep up to date with all things Career Ed and SD35, and hope you enjoyed learning about how to change a placement via student search on mywex.ca. Thanks.